This is Chris taking a look at the DAX. You can see that we have rallied quite significantly during the trading session on Monday as hopium came back into the market. The Russians being pushed back in the Ukraine has people betting on everything risk related. The problem, of course, is nothing's actually changed. So we'll see how this plays out. 12,500, obviously an important level here. So, while it does look like we're trying to bottom here, you could also make that argument that we're in a nice descending triangle and that there will be a selling opportunity above. I tend to believe that would more likely be the case. So we'll have to see how it plays out. If we break the 200-day EMA, then I guess you stop arguing at 14,000. Between here and there, it's just a little overstretched. I do think a pullback comes. If we take out the Monday candlestick, then I think we test this 12,500 level again.